Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sugar cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, sprinkles, and confectioner's sugar. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Using your mixer, cream the sugar and butter. Now add the eggs one at a time until they are well combined. Add the vanilla extract, then slowly mix in your flour mixture. Form the dough into a ball, then cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the dough from the refrigerator and allow it to return to room temperature. Cover a clean surface with the confectioner's sugar, then roll out your dough. Using the cookie cutters of your choice, cut the dough, then place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover the cookies with the sprinkles, then transfer to the preheated oven. Allow the cookies to cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove them from the oven, then allow them to sit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, place them on a wire rack and allow them to continue to cool for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your cookies are ready to serve. These sugar cookies are soft and have a rich, buttery taste. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.